ManyChat is by far the best way to get more followers and leads through Instagram in 2025, but most business owners do not know how to utilize it to get followers, leads and clients. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you two different sequences. One is going to help you get more followers, and the second one will help you get more leads and of course clients. And if you don't know who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I help 6 to 7 to 8+ figure entrepreneurs build content systems to save time and scale. If you want my social proof, check out the first link in the description. And if you want to join my email list where I give away free content tips and tricks on a daily basis and resources, check out the second link in the description. You can join that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, what you need to do to set up these sequences is go to ManyChat. So ManyChat.com, and what you're going to do is, I would prefer you to get the pro version, which is £15 in UK a month. And this allows you to do what I'm about to show you today. You can use the free version, but it's a bit limited on what you can actually do. But anyway, let's get into it. So first, what you're going to do is, of course, go down to automations. You're going to log in. You're going to add your Instagram account. It was literally run you through step by step on how to add your Instagram account. But there's I've got two versions on two different accounts. But just literally log in and then go down to automations. Then you're going to click on new automation, start from scratch. First one I'm going to go through is how to get more followers. So what you need to do first of all is of course make a video that at the end has a call to action saying comment the word keyword for so and so. So comment the word keyword for a free resource. If you have a free resource, you can give it away for free, or if you want to create one, you can create one. Going to click on when, and basically this is a trigger. So when something happens, the next thing is going to happen. So it's basically triggers the automation, and you're going to go to user comments on post. You can select the reel you want to select, or you can do all reels if you only have one lead magnet that you're giving away. Sorry about the light going out. Then you can press continue and then add a keyword. So the keyword for me, I'm just going to put test, for example. You don't need to worry about caps, it doesn't matter. You can change these automatic replies. I would get rid of the emojis, otherwise it looks really botty. But yeah, then press save, and then what you're going to do here is Instagram. So go to Instagram here, and then you're going to say something like did you want the free, and then you're going to put what it's called in here. So I'm just going to put resource question mark, then add button, yes. And what we're going to do is drag this over and put condition. And by the way, if you're an online coach or online service based business and you want us to do all of your content for you while you only have to do one thing for an hour a week, which is press record, and if you want to get 15 extra high ticket clients within 90 days guaranteed, or you get a full refund, check out the first link in the description. It will take you to a video explaining what we do in more detail. If you want to book in a free call, you can. If not, completely fine, keep watching my free content. But anyway, back to the video. So all the following condition, any of the following, then press condition, general filters, system fields, and we can put Instagram, opted in, follows your Instagram account. So this only happens if they follow you. So what you could do, follows your Instagram account, and then you're going to put here's the free resource, and then add button, and then put open website, and then add the resource in. So make sure it says resource on here, or whatever it's called, whatever the lead magnet's called, resource, and then put the link in here. It's done. And then the contact doesn't match any of these conditions. You're going to put in, please make sure you're following my account, then I will send it over. And then what you can do is, again, you can put condition, and then system fields, if following follows your Instagram account, and then you can put, then you can what you can do is link it back to this. So you can go like this, link it back here, and then if not, you can link it back here, and keep doing that and over again. So this is going to make sure they follow you before they actually get the free resource. So for example, if they don't follow you, they will get that message. If they follow you, here's the free resource. If they don't, please make sure you're following my account, then I will send it over, and then boom, that's what's going to happen. And all you have to do now is set live, and once this is sent over, you can even add a next step, which would be like smart delay, wait like 2 hours, and then you can put a next step here, which is how did you find the free resource? Free resource, question mark. And then boom, you can go from there. You or an appointment setter can set them on a call from there. That's the first automation, really as simple as that. This is going to get you more followers on literally autopilot, just in case people don't follow you when you do reach out. So this is a really good way to convert all of yous into followers. But anyway, let's get into the next one. I'm going to get rid of all this. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to ManyChat, automation, new automation, start from scratch. So this one's going to be to basically grab people's emails, which is a lead, and also set them on a call. So what we're going to do here is do the same thing. New trigger, user comments on post, select the post that you want to do. Keyword is test again, and then boom, just whatever you want to put here. Save, and then Instagram. Did you want free resource? Question mark. Yes. And then Instagram again. What we're going to put here is we're going to put here, please send your email. Actually, we're going to go data collection. Make sure it says data collection. Get rid of this bit here, and then just go to here. Make sure it says email, and then make sure you get rid of the skip button so they actually can't skip the process. Please send your email so we can. Before you continue, please send your email, and I will send resource through. And then boom, action on reply. You can add it to your email list. Press action, add contact to email list, and then you can select the email list, save. So that will happen when someone sends the email, it add it to my email list automatically. If contact not responded, I can put Instagram, just send through your email, I will send it through. And then you can put again data collection. Oh, let's copy and paste that, that's my bad. Copy and paste that over here, get rid of that, and then again change it to email, and then get rid of the skip button. And then you can do this a couple times. Action reply, add contact to email. Hopefully that works. No, it doesn't, so you have to do it again. Action, add contact to email list, save, add that up there. And then what you can do on the next step, if they've actually added it to their email list, what you can do is you can do a smart delay. You can actually send the thing that you're going to send through. So here's the free training, add button, again open website, change this to whatever it's called, free, add the website link in there, boom. And then what you can do after that is next step, you can say smart delay. So you can be like, let's just say 4 hours, then you can put Instagram message, be like, yo, did you get time to go through training? Then you can put yes sir, and second button can be not yet, and then or not yet you can put let me so when you do, and then on yes sir you can put nice, how nice, just wondering what made you want the free training. And then you can put add a quick reply, so you can be like just curious, or you could be like, I want to, whatever your offer is, so I want to scale, I want to get in shape, I want to get better at sales, whatever your offer is, your coaching offer, put it here. So I want to 2x my close rate. Well, you can't put that long, but you have to work something out to make sure it fits. 2x close, there you go. And then boom, what you can do from here is from just curious, be like, great, any questions, let me know. And you can do as many quick replies as you want, by the way. They can just click on these. And then for 2x close rate, you could be like Instagram, you could be like, on this one, you could say something like, this is where you go through your qualification questions to actually set them on a call. If they click, let's just say, for example, you are a sales coach and they click 2x close rate, you could be like, however your qualifying process goes from there, that's what you're going to write in on these questions. So, okay, great. What's your close rate right now? And then you can add quick replies, and then next step, you can ask the next qualification question, then the next one. What I like to do is see where they're at, see where they want to get to, see what's stopping them from getting there, and then see if they're even interested in having help achieving their goal, and then just offer the free consultation. I'm not going to go through that whole process, but what I am going to do is go to the last step. So let's just say this is the last question. You could be like, okay, great goal. You could be like, okay, great, are you interested in having help achieving that? And then you can put, yes, 100%. Think I got it. Don't think I got it. And then from yes, you can put in something like, okay, sweet, defo, think I could help 2x your close rate, you down for a call to run through how. And then boom, quick reply, yes. Is it free? And then from here, from 100%, you can also drag that to here. And think I got it. Okay, sweet, no problem. And what you could do is here as well, you can add, for example, if they say think I've got it, you can add this as an action, and you can add a tag to it, be like they're not interested. So add a tag, create a new tag being like not interested, add tag, create. And then this is what you can do is look up not interested and see who's not interested, so you don't have to reach out to them again. And if you, let's just say for example, here you could add something like a tag as well. Wait, next step action, and then you can say add tag interested, follow up. So what this can do is like they're interested, you could follow up with them. Okay. And then from the yes, you can be like, if they say yes, you can be like, oh my gosh, I hate it when it does that. You can put okay, okay, nice, here's a link to book in your free call, and then open website again, and then put your Calendly link, and then press done. And then what you can do as well is just, let's just say, is it free? You can put the call is yes, just to show you a strategy to 2x your close rate. Cool, send link, and then you can put it in here as well, drag it to there, and then next step you can follow up, or you can add a tag saying not smart delay, sorry. You can either add action here, so you can put action, add tag, booked in call, and then create, and then boom, that's going to be added, so you can follow up with these people if they do, let's just say, have a call with you, don't close, or they don't actually turn up to the call. You can follow up with them. But yeah, this is a ManyChat sequence to get leads. There's loads more things you could do with it, but yeah, those are the two main sequences that I use and my clients use to actually get followers and clients through just Instagram, through people commenting on their posts, getting leads and clients through it. I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.